Good evening. My name is Che Emmanuel. We are a group from the Department of Electrical and Electronic Engineering. Today, we are presenting our BE 208 C++ programming project titled Canteen Food Ordering System. The aim of this project is to automate food ordering, bill calculation, payment verification, and report generation for a canteen. And this is the slide we prepared. And so from here, my colleague will take way through the next slide. Thank you.
So we take the flowchart, which is the slide 3. So the flowchart represents the logical sequence of our program. After collecting the customer's information, the system validates the inputs, calculates the bills, determines the payment status, displays the receipt, saves the order into a report file, and repeats the process for multiple customers.
Okay, so before we start coding, we need an algorithm and a pseudocode. So an algorithm is a step-by-step procedure which helps or serves as a blueprint for the coding and the program, and helps us to organize and implement the program into a code.
Okay, I'm Luis Adeno, and I'll be presenting on slide 5, and that is the C++ implementation. And then for this side, the project was developed using object-oriented programming. We created a class for the canteen order to organize the program. Functions were used to separate the different tasks, right? And also it helped improve readability and maintainability of the thing. On that slide contain a screenshot of the C++ program. Thank you.
Okay, my name is Nelson Aaron, and I continue with the program features. This program records customer information. It calculates the subtotal automatically, applies discounts where necessary. It determines payment status, displays receipt, resets multiple customer orders, and saves records. Thank you. So my colleagues will continue with the rest.
Good day everyone. Today I'll be talking on slide 7, which is the GitHub reposition and documentation. So we use the GitHub to manage our project files. The reposition contains the C++ source code, project documentation, algorithm, codes, flowchart, generated report file, and screenshots demonstrating the application execution. Thank you.
My name is Emmanuel Pabla, and I'm handling slide 8. This screenshot demonstrates the execution of our program. The application successfully processes customer orders, displays receipts, and generates a report file containing all transaction records. In a sense that if a customer purchases something, you see the customer's name, the ID, the quantity, and the amount paid. Thank you.
Challenges and solution. During development, we encountered some challenges such as validating user input and implementing file handling. But we were able to address those issues through the structured programming techniques and the good effective teamwork we had.
And I am presenting on the slide 2, which has the topic of the project overview, right? So many schools and canteens still record customer manually, right? And then this recording leads to wrong calculations, missing records, cost poor slow customer service, and difficult tracking daily sales. So the aim of that was to develop C++ because customers or they calculate bills and automatically determine payment status and other stuff. So the application it helped to calculate the bills, calculate the payment, and save all transactions for future use. I'll be presenting on the last slide. That's the conclusion part. In conclusion, our project successfully achieved the objective by automating the canteen ordering process. It records the customer details, the customer order, the discounts, and also validate the user's inputs, determine payment status, and save the transaction records for future reference. Thank you for your attention.